coming to, I just wanted to showcase you one of the fastest growing PB project which EPACK have done. The name of this project is Gold Plus. Can you just slide? Next slide.
He used to point here.
Okay. The company's name is Gold Plus Float Glass. This is one of the largest float glass manufacturing company besides Saint Gobain. Now this project was done by us at Belgaum in Karnataka. This is in border of Karnataka and Belgaum. This is, we have done this project with zero accident and zero lost time injury. There are two buildings basically. One is the annealing building, which you can see at the front, and the back one is a warehouse. It's the RM and FG warehouse. This consultant is China Tram International, Shanghai. The total structural steel quantity is 6,600 metric ton. In fact, we got the order in 31st March 2022, and we were told to complete in 4.5 months. And we have completed this project virtual completion by 5 months. So I think 6,000 ton in 5 months is really a big achievement in part of this thing. And to control and to do the fastest execution, how we have done, I will show you. The total, these are the buildings. The main warehouse building is 370 by 240. It's having a standing seam roof, 6,200 ton. It is around 94,000 square meter. The second building is the annealing furnace. This is 150 by 40 meter clear span. This is again a standing seam, 400 metric ton. Salient features of the building is, this is a Chinese design. So, you know, we have used this multi-legged V-type bracings for design optimization, which you normally see the portal bracings. So in order to optimize, we have done with multi-leg bracings. We have used shear key in column base plate, where the anchor bolts have been designed to take tension only. Now, we have used continuous strut pipes in 2 levels for better stability, and dual sag rod system for preventing sagging in purlins and guts. There is a 350 metric ton crane beam running in all the 8 modules. And roof monitor throat width is 5 meter, which is normally in case of any PEB building, it is 1.5 to 2 or 3 meter maximum. So this is a heavily designed roof monitor of 5 meter throat width, and 3 meter is the height for achieving better air changes per hour. The valley gutter, which was considered, was 1.5 meter wide and 0.85 meter depth. So it's a very huge valley gutter for draining out the water at both the ends. Project objective, you know, we have to do this project, so we understood from the beginning. So this 7,000, 6,600, 7,000 material procurement was done within a span of 20 days time. We were having very less time for this. In supply, we have 1.5 months, and erection 2.5 months. So we had to procure the entire thing within 20 days. And these are all from the reliable suppliers. So you know how PB players know how it is difficult to source the materials within a short time. So that our procurement team can able to do. We have managed the inventory of materials. Our production daily was, you know, 100 ton. That time the major loads were not there in our Rajasthan plant. We have just started the Rajasthan plant that time. So we could able to dispatch 100 metric ton and deliver 100 metric ton per day. I'm telling, per day production was 100, which is very high. You know, many PB players are sitting. It's not a very easy task to do 100 metric ton. We have completed it, and we have done 95 numbers of beam welding, beam saw welding, which is 600 meter is the welding length, which we have done on per day basis. Approach wise, see procurement, we have identified reliable suppliers. Our project team was in tandem with the production team to deliver the materials. We have quality team at site, and we have one erection team sitting on a production plant for the sequential dispatches of materials. A dedicated QC team was applied to the plant to ensure quality standards. See, the major challenge was to achieve the per day deadline. The total tonnage was 600. So daily target to achieve 90 metric ton. We did 90 metric ton erection per day. This we have done, you know, I will show how we have achieved. We have worked in extended hours, and we have parallelly put 4 gangs in all the 4 modules to work on it. The sheeting works was 3,000 square meter, which was also not an easy task to do a sheeting. Standing seam sheeting of 3,000 square meter with a normal industry standard is 1,000 square meter. So we have engaged multiple teams to do this project, and in extended, the client has allowed us extended manpower. We have, see, this sort of project, if you don't deliver sequentially, in PB what happens, you can deliver all materials, but sequential delivery is very important. So we have maintained sequential delivery to achieve the erection timelines, whatever is there. We have deputed deployment of site engineers, safety officers and quality engineers. See, these are the manpower deployment plan in short. We have done all the 4 modules of the main building. We have deputed equipment and manpower separately to achieve parallel working. These are our targets versus productivity. 80 ton, average achievement is 100%. Roofing 2000, as I told you, we have overachieved roofing target. Cladding, we have achieved 100%. So you can see that in terms of erection and production, both we could achieve the timelines which was given. As I told you, parallel working, how we achieve the erection productivity. We have done parallel working in all the 4 modules of the main building. Secondary members was erected parallelly to while the primary members are erected to achieve stability. Then we have given dual shift system for sheeting gang. A separate sheeting gang was at height for providing sheet at height, and separate gang for shifting the sheet to the fixing location. This is all the view of the shades which you can see. These are some of our brands which we are working. I think in India we are working with almost all the major brands, major corporate customers. We are working with Adani, with Reliance, with Pidilite, with ABB. So all the major corporate players we are able to work, and these also within a span of 4 years time in PEB. So I can tell, sir, we have, in fact, our plan is to come up with another plant in this part of the country within next 6 months time. So vision will be to become at least second player of PEB within next 1 year time. So this is all about EPACK, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Majumdar.